Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this Tuesday evening, a little after 7 p.m. We're still quiet for now. We do have some increasing rain and wind on the way, some stormy weather, kind of like a spring-like storm system. So let's get started. Clouds increasing. No precipitation yet in Providence, but looking at some rain and wind here. Starting later this evening and continuing off and on, the rain will be heavy at times. Potential is there for 1 to 2 inches of rain. A more concern, though, would be the wind gust potential for later tonight and especially on Wednesday. Southerly gusts of 45, 55 miles per hour are possible. There could be some, I don't think it's widespread, but some scattered power outages are possible. And while this is a spring-like storm with very warm temperatures, at least for this time of year, it's going to be a huge temperature drop late Wednesday night into early Thursday morning as a very strong cold front passes through. So our threat tracker, we're going to bump it up to medium for this evening as that rain and wind will start to increase. I think the rain arriving between about 9 and 10 p.m., though the stronger wind probably reserved for Wednesday. A couple of inches of rain, gusts out of the south of 45 to 55 miles per hour, then back to cold, dry, quiet weather. Well, dry weather on Thursday may not be so much quiet, though, as the wind may still be strong on Thursday, even with some sunshine developing. So tracking a narrow line of some heavier rain in the Hudson Valley of New York, southwest Connecticut. This will be arriving between 9 and 10 o'clock. This is not the entire weather system itself that we're expecting. This is kind of a piece of the much bigger picture out here. So that moisture in New York is headed our way for later on this evening. Strong cold front draped right in here. That's headed our way for later on Wednesday and into Wednesday evening. As we take this into the future, you can see by Tuesday evening, if you got this around 10, 11 o'clock, you can see the showers right in here, heavy at times, as we advance things into Wednesday morning with breezy, actually windy, mild conditions with rain likely heavy at times. This is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Here comes that strong cold front, that narrow blue line around 8 o'clock in the evening. Out ahead of it, a strong wind, very heavy rain. Behind it, temperatures drop off quite a bit. And as that sweeps through later Wednesday night, we'll start to see those temperatures dropping off, especially after midnight. And then here we are on Thursday with sunshine, but very cold compared to where we'll be tomorrow. And still quite windy. It wouldn't surprise me if, maybe the wind advisory gets extended into Thursday as well. So we'll keep you updated on that. Speaking of the wind advisory, it's for the entire area, shaded in light brown. Excuse me. Actually goes into effect starting 7 a.m. on Wednesday. The area is in red. It is a high wind warning. Wind's a bit stronger on the Cape, but these southerly gusts in our area somewhere between about 45, 55 miles per hour. In fact, here we are Wednesday at about 7 o'clock in the evening. It is quite mild in the upper 50s to around 60. Now watch what happens with the approach of this cold front. Look how rapidly the temperature drops off behind it. So this is around 10 o'clock where the state is bisected. You can almost use the Route 95 corridor here, where on one side temperatures drop off quite a bit. On the other side of the front, it's still relatively warm. Then the cold front sweeps through, and these temperatures just tumble rapidly later Wednesday night and on into Thursday. So for this evening, early on, it's initially dry, but between 9 and 11 o'clock, that rain working in, heavy at times, the wind picking up, though probably the stronger wind after midnight. And both Wednesday morning and into Wednesday afternoon, periods of rain, heavy at times, strong gusty winds out of the south. And here we are Wednesday afternoon with temperatures in the middle to upper 50s. And those winds still really cranking up out of the south. So no surprise here with a gale warning out in Narragansett Bay, poor visibility. And you got waves at the bay entrance 6 to 9 feet on Wednesday.